Bro, do you know Tom and Jerry?
Yeah. Take cover, guys. Okay. Take cover.
Guys,
Bro, you're
everyone
buffing
get
the
inside
match.
the vaults.
He just said to come out. Come in the tunnel. Don't go inside. Come here. We can push them from here. Come outside. Come outside.
Hey, Jumbo.
What's this? Apa?
Bro, come back, guys. Come, come, come.
Hey guys, I don't have gun. I have only torch.
Wow, wow, nice.
I will cover you with the torch. Don't worry. Anyone is having extra gun or ammunition? Just give it to me because I only have a torch.
I'm sorry, you're all way too loud. I'm going radio silent.
Sorry, my bad.
Guys, get in cover, get in cover.
Did you go in black? Did you go to the bank? Take a picture, right? Take a picture.
Guys, come back,
Already
come back.
done.
We're fucking going.
Take
I
picture
took it.
inside. It needs to be
I
taken
took-
inside only, okay?
Okay, I'll take it.
Because they rejected the last one. They rejected the last one. Okay.
No. They rejected because
Let's take the
it
picture.
was not showing, that thing on the top.
Kazi, give me 40k, okay?
Guys, come back, come back. Don't set the front, come back, come back. Bro, guys, be ready for fight. You can enter, be ready, be ready.
Sam, get cover, Sam.
Come back, hello.
Michael, do you have a gun? Michael, do you have a shotgun?
Why? There's no one at tunnel 2. Guys, let's go to the tunnel. Let's go to the tunnel. We need to help them. Let's go to the tunnel.
Bad copy, we're fighting.
Let's go to the tunnel.
What the?
Batch me up. Someone batch me. Someone batch me, guys. Cut. Food. Fuck you.